Hi viewer or fellow maintainer, a question on the image shown. What is wrong in the picture? It was clever for the little ones to use the window to hold the handheld shower. The broken handle is blight slowly creeping into the 18th. If left too long, something else will break. Then there will be plenty of fixing needed, and with time it gets overwhelming. When breaks are ignored, thoughts of buying new replace plans to maintain what is at hand. Living in a broken house is not a good place to be. In the meantime, the service from the damaged areas is lost, changing the experience. This one problem has put the shower out of service. An explanation is warranted. It's like realizing the chair has a broken leg. Would you sit on it as usual? The broken chair symbolizes opposition to landmines and cluster munitions, but I digress. The point here is that the shower is not preferred because it's not fully functional, and preference has shifted to other showers. About the broken holder, it was all plastic except for the screws. Its appearance mimics metal. From the onset of the installation, Kofi noted it was flimsy but did the job. So it did for 3 to 4 years. The failure was with the holder breaking from the mounting plate. Kofi is installing the new mounting plate. The choice of brackets came down to the finish color, the material, which has to be metal, and the mounting plate had to have screw holes about 3/4 inches apart. You're watching Maintaining 18, a homeowner's journey in renovation and repair. If you like this content, please subscribe. Thank you. The day is one.